So now that we've covered the foundations, which involves using only our record hand, it's time to introduce the crossfader, which in simple terms acts like an on-off switch for the record. This allows us to choose which part of the sample we want to hear and which part we want to turn off. In my case, the far left position of the crossfader is my off position. And because this is a very sharp crossfader designed for scratching, any small movement to the right will open the fader fully to hear the sound. So the first technique to master using the crossfader is called a cut, otherwise known as a chop. This technique begins with the crossfader closed and the record cued to the start of the sample. So to perform a cut, we're going to open the crossfader and release the record at the same time. But after the sample has played, we're going to quickly close the crossfader and immediately pull the record back to the start of the sample. This means that we are only allowing the forward part of the sound to be heard, and we'll be muting the sound of the record being rewound. Your hands need to work in coordination for this technique, and as before, it's a good habit to keep an eye on your visual marker to guide your record movements instead of looking at the crossfader. We can also combine cuts with baby scratches and drops, and here's some examples of those techniques over a beat.